Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. I'm going to show you how to make an organza and lace bow so that the two ribbons are combined. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is take my silver Bowdabra bow wire. I've folded it in half. I'm going to lay it into the Bowdabra and I'm just going to tuck the ends underneath. Then I'm going to take a piece of organza that I've cut for tails and a piece of lace. And what I've done is I've just cut it at an angle rather than dovetailing for this bow. So I'm just going to find this center and I'm going to just do a little like fold in the middle. So we call that our mountain in the middle, and we're just going to scrunch that down into the Bowdabra. And this will be a very beautiful bow that could be used for a wedding, a pubo, or a wedding gift. So we're just going to twist it, or even for a quinceañera gift. So there's so many uses for this lace bow, and I just thought that I would show you how to do it. So what I'm going to do is fold this over. I'm going to twist it and scrunch it down into my Bowdabra. Then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to just fold it over and twist it. And then just to make sure my loops are the same size, I'm just going to fold them up, and they are. So now I'm just going to continue, and it's a little bit more difficult because I have two ribbons in here. We're just going to fold, twist, and scrunch that down. And you just want to make sure that the lace and the sheer are together. So we're just going to again fold it, twist it, and this sheer gives the lace a really cool background. So it's not like, rather than having the holes in the lace, the sheer gives it a nice elegant look. So we're going to just twist it, and again we're going to just put our two ribbons together, fold it back, twist it, and do exactly the same thing. Take our ribbons and we're just going to fold and twist, and again we're going to fold and twist, and then this time I'm going to just do a little half a loop, and that's going to give me my floral loop or button loop, and scrunch that down. Then I'm going to take my Bowdabra wand and scrunch everything else down. Then I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire, pull it up, pull it through the loop, and pull it tight while it's still in the Bowdabra. Now we do have the Bowdabras for sale at Bowdabra.com and also at Hobby Lobby or Amazon.com. Those are the only places where you can buy the genuine Bowdabra. Then I'm going to just twist it, tie a knot, and give it another knot, and give it one more knot just for good measure. Then I'm going to take it, and we're just going to pull everything so you have this really beautiful bow. Just fluff everything out. And this is a wired ribbon. The lace isn't wired, but the sheer is wired, and the lace is very firm. So you can see once you're done fluffing, you have this beautiful bow.